gonna put some corn out here for our friends. I don't see any tracks. They haven't been here in a while. Let's see what happens. Set this right here. Push it down in the snow. Hopefully they'll see it. Well, all day. So far nothing but my footprints in the snow. No tracks. No deer. Oh well, here's my footprints in the snow. There's the bowl of corn in the center of the screen, and it looks like we did have a little action around here today. Lots of deer prints here in the snow while I was at work. We'll refill the bowl and see if we get some on video.